Yes, boys. Let's start with today's lesson. Today's date is 13th of April. 13th of April 2021. The day is Tuesday. This is your math class and we are solving exercise number 8C. At your book page number 243. And the topic is
Sine rule.
Sine rule. Prepare the page for sine rule. Question number, last question we have to do.
Question number 6.
Question number 6. Prepare the page for that. I'm waiting for the rest of the students and I'm going to call them. Ahmed Alam and Ahmed Nawaz, they both are not here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmed Alam.
Ma'am, Zan and Daniel are also absent.
They both?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Daniel. Walaikum assalam. Sir, I called you, so you are here.
Ma'am, you cannot see the meeting join option in your open chat.
Zayan's full name is?
Zayan Karim
I'm
Khan.
Karim Khan.
Ma'am, but he's here. Zayan is here.
So who is left? Can you tell me the names?
Ma'am, 3 boys are not here. One is Ahmed Nawaz and 2 more. Mohammed Kundi. No, he's here. And
Mohammed Rehan, Kashif and Zain Ahmed Khan.
yeah.
Today Zain Ahmed Irfan is late. Always he is joining the class at the first. Okay, boys. So I
He
called
also
them.
did
They will
not
join
come
us.
to
Yes. We are solving the sine rule. And what is the sine rule? Yesterday we applied the both conditions when we want to find out some missing angles and when we have to find out the missing sides. When we want to find out the missing angles, we are keeping angles at the top and then the sides in the denominator. But when we want to find out the missing sides, we are keeping the sides at the numerator place and then the angles at denominator. So we have to do the last question of this exercise. Question number 6. Page number 243. Question number 6 is, in a triangle ABC, angle ABC is 91 degree. We can say that it is not exactly the straight line. It is like this, not that much tilted. We can draw a line, but like here, or then we can draw a triangle. Not the arranged one. This is a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, angle B is given, that is 91 degree. Yes, boys, then what is next given to you? BC.
BC,
The length of
7.4.
BC is 7.4 centimeter. And then what is next
AC.
given? Length of AC, that is
11.6
11.6 centimeter. Yes, my dear students. So can you find out, we can see that one pair of angle and side is given to us and then we have the second side but not the angle. So in the question you have to find out the very first thing, angle BAC. It means that we have to find out angle A So the thing we have to find out is this angle A, and it's because its opposite side is already given, so we can find out angle A very first. Okay, so first of all go for the angle A. How you will find out angle A?
Sin A over A is equals to sin B over B.
Yes, how we will write? We will start from the given angle. So which one is the given one? Sin B.
over B
Yes, we will write it as sin B over B is equal to
sin A over A.
sin A over A. Substitute the values, Hassan.
Sin 91 over 11.6.
Sin 91 degree divided by
11.6
11.6 is equal to
sin A over 7.4.
Sin, we can write in place of sin A, we can write this angle BAC as it is mentioned in the question. So we will write the same thing here. And what is the sin A? Yes, 7.4 centimeter.
Then we will
now do the cross multiplication. Yes.
Sin 91 multiplied
we can write sin angle BAC multiplied by 11.6 and 7.4 multiplied by sin 91. Okay, then
we will divide 11.6 with 7.4.
Sin angle BAC is equal to 7.4 multiplied by sin 91
divided by 11.6.
Divided by 11.6. And then find out the value and tell me what's the answer for all these calculation of these three numbers.
0.6378.
Answer is 0.6378. Okay, now because we want to find out the angle, so leave this angle at this place, angle BAC, and that is equal to sine inverse 0.6378. Yes, take the value and tell me the answer.
39.63.
39.63. So we can write 39.6. We can write 39.6 degree. Yes, so this is the answer of your angle A. Now we can we find out the angle C?
Yes.
Can we find out angle C?
Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree.
Very good. So keep the angles equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Substitute the values. So what is angle A? Just find just now we find the value of angle A because we want to find out angle C. So keep angle C to this place. It will be 180 minus 91 minus 39.6 and tell me the answer.
49.4.
49.4 degree. So now we have all the three angles with us. Can we find out the opposite side of the we already have. We have to find out this side AB. Yes. We have to find out side AB.
So
yes. B then again we have to write by using the sine rule.
Yes. B over sine B is equal to.
Okay, just 1 second. One second. Let me write by using sine rule. Yes, how we will write the sine rule here? B over
sine B is equal to C over sine C.
Why we have taken B? Because it is already mentioned in the question. So yes. C over sine C. Yes, substitute the values here.
B is
B. Side B is 11.6.
Yes, and
it is 11.6 over sine 91 degree is equal to C over sine
49.4.
49.4 degree. Okay, so do the cross multiplication and solve it. We will write it as C multiplied by sine 91 is equal to 11.6 multiplied by sine 49.4. So C is equal to 11.6 multiplied by sine 49.4 divided by sine 91. You can write all these three values together on your calculator and tell me the answer.
8.809.
8.809. So we can write 8.81
Yes.
centimeter. Yes, boys. So this is the question. We get all the answers. We have there were two angles missing and one side, so we get all the answers. The whole question is here in front of you. You can copy the question now. These are the two angles. This one and this one, and then we have one side missing, and this is the side. Quickly. When you copy, just raise your hand.
Ma'am, now 8D.
No, not 8D. We have, by mistake, we missed one question from exercise 8B. Question number 5. That was also included in SOS. So we have to do that.
Okay.
8D is the last exercise. From 8D, we have to do question 1 to 7. You can mark the questions. But inshallah, 8C we will continue tomorrow. 8D, the last exercise. Five students have done. Quickly, beta, copy this question, then we will move. Then we will move to that. 8B, question 5.
Any test?
Test, let us finish first this chapter 12, chapter 8, then we will take the test.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, on the first, we have inverted the ratios on the first part of the question.
First part of the which question?
Ma'am, 6.
He is saying of the angle BAC.
Angle B is this one.
No, ma'am, I'm saying like, why have we inverted the ratios?
He's saying that we have like
here, why we write angle B at the top and side B down?
Yes, ma'am.
Because when I explained you, Mubashir, do you remember that I told you that when you when we want to find out the angles, we have done sine rule. When we done the sine rule, so I told you that we have something. Wait 1 second. I have all that slides here somewhere. Yes, here. Look at this one. What is the sine rule? Go for this triangle. Yes, what's the sine rule? I told you that this is for angles, for missing angles. We are finding, and this we are using for missing sides. Do you remember this?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever we want to find out missing sides, sides will be at the top. When we will find out the angles, angles will be at the numerator position. We have to flip down. You can write this or you can flip it.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, boys, done with that question. So we can go for the next missing question. Exercise number 8B. Go to 8B. Question number 5 we missed.
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise number, just give the heading. If you have space to exercise 8B pages, you can solve there. But if you don't have space there, then you can solve it here only. So here is the question. We have a triangle, this type of triangle, and then there is a half part like this. If we label the triangle, so triangle, this angle is 60.5, This is 197 meter. This is 202 meter. This angle is 30 degree and this angle is 112 meter. Yes. So if you name these triangles, you can name these triangles at 1 and 2, then we can solve it. The question is, the figure shows the plan of two neighboring states in the form of two triangles. Calculate the area of the two states. Yes, so how we will write it? Yes, boys. Area of,
Triangle is equals to 1 over 2.
no, both together. Is equal to 1 by 2, go for first triangle, multiplied by what are the sides? 112 into 202. And what is the sine angle? Sine 30 degree?
30 degree.
Okay, plus the second, go for the second one. 1 by 2
1 by 2.
multiplied by 202 multiplied by 197 and the sine of
60.5.
and sine of 60.5. Calculate all these values and tell me the answer. First of all, answer for this one and then the answer for this one.
Ma'am, it is 5,656.
5,656.
56.
Exact value?
Yes.
Okay, and what about the second one?
Ma'am, it is 17,317.47.
0.47. Okay, calculate the values.
Ma'am, it's 22,973.47.
22,973.47.
47.
But because we are rounding off our answer up to three significant figures, if you want to round it off, if you want to round off this answer, so see what is the third digit is 9. Second and third is 29. And the fourth one is 7. If this is 7, when we add one number to this 29 plus 1 becomes 30.
230.
So it will be 230 for this one and then double 0 for this one, and then the unit is meter square. Meter square is the answer. So don't forget to write first of all this answer and then you have to convert it to up to three significant figure. Keep your hands down, boys. Any problem now in sine rule and the area of the triangle?
No, ma'am.
So complete this question now.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Just remember the key points for this one, what is the condition that when you have to apply the sine rule. The sine rule is applicable only for the not right angle triangle. This is a very important point regarding the sine rule, that it is applicable to the not right angle triangle. Boys, done this one, can I move my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Or still copying?
Done, ma'am.
I'm asking to the whole class. Only Hassan and Noor is replying today. Only 2 students are replying. What about the whole class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, give 1 minute.
Okay.
Complete.
What about Arsalan, Ashar, Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman, you are not fasting today. And again, you are so quiet, not answering. Abdurrahman, are you at your place?
Ma'am, his mic is not working today.
Okay, maybe that's why. Yes, Ashar, Arsalan, done the question, beta?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, very good. So, what is the sign rule? Just remember two things. When it is a right angle triangle, as I explained you before also, when we have right angle triangle, then we have two ways to find out the two ways to solve this one. One is that Pythagoras theorem, and the second one is, yes, what's the second one?
Trigonometric ratios.
Trigonometric ratios.
Yes, very good. This is the trigonometric ratios. And when we have not right angle triangle, any other triangle like equilateral or isosceles, then
Sine rule.
with
Sine rule.
sine rule and then the cos rule also.
So,
Yes.
Sine rule and cos rule also. So sine rule we have done. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will continue with the cos rule, and that will be the last topic of your second term. After that, only revision, revision, and revision. Revision and tests, nothing else. So we have done with the sine rule, only cos rule is left. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will continue with this. Allah Hafiz, have a nice day.
Allah Hafiz,
Allah
ma'am.
Hafiz, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz, beta.